Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigitalScrap video. In this video, I'll be using this A Million Little Things bundle by Studio Basic Designs. It is a very fun bundle. There are some very fun elements that I will get to use later, so that's something to stay tuned for. This kit, I think, didn't come with any pocket cards, which is usually fine with me because I don't honestly use that many pocket cards. I might use one occasionally, maybe two, but I have a lot of photos on these layouts, so the pocket cards kind of are often too much with all the photos and everything else, so as long as there are some nice papers included, that's all I really want. Working here on getting the balance of my papers, just so. Trying to alternate those dark and light papers and also the busy and the less busy patterns. And for this spread, you can see that the left side is just regular daily life photos and the right side is more Christmassy, so I think I'm going to try to use some of the Christmas colors on that side to go with all the Christmas trees and the Santa mug there. But it is not a themed Christmas bundle that I'm using, it's just a everyday sort of bundle. But it does have red and green in it, so it will work well with my photos there. Plus it has that nice yellow that goes with the nice sunset photo there on the left. I'm just zooming in here to check on the shadow for that stitching. I usually just use the shadows I have saved up there in my styles panel, but in this case I did a little modifying because I didn't want anything too strong on those stitches. And I think I copied the layer style that I had on those stitches to put on those stitches I added in there with the sequins. Just trying out here a few more elements before I finish up. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.